Welcome back to my channel, long time no see. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Hershey Kiss and Etude House collab. I'm going to start by prepping my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Then I'm going to mix the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. Oh my god, I forgot I was wearing a pimple patch here, but don't worry, I take it off eventually. So I'm going to cover my blemishes with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin High Coverage Concealer, and then I'm going to seal it with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Powder Foundation. Then I'm just correcting under my eyes with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Correcting Duo. And then of course for underneath the eyes, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to set everything with the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder. To start filling in my brows, I'm going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow to just start tinting the hairs and making them look fuller. Then using the NYX Tame & Frame Brow Pomade, I'm going to start filling it in the tail ends of my brows. I'm cleaning up under my brow with the same Makeup Forever concealer that I used earlier. Then I'm going to set the hairs in place with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Then with this light beige shade, I'm going to start working it into my crease. And then I'm just going to start feathering it out towards my brow bone. Next I'm taking the shimmery rose gold shade and I'm just going to pop this in the middle of my lid. Then taking this darker brown shade, I'm going to put it on my lash line and the outer third of my lid. Then just continue to blend the edges of your eyeshadow, making everything look very soft and seamless. Next, I'm going to take the NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Deepest Brown, and I'm going to start creating a wing with this. And because I'm using a gel pencil, it's a little hard to get a smooth line, so I'm just using an angled brush to drag it out and get that really nice sharp wing. To soften up the wing, I'm going to take the previous brown color that we used and I'm going to pat it on top of the liner. Next I'm going to apply some brown falsies. I actually just went ahead and made these myself. They were black and then I just put a liquid lipstick on them and then I sealed them in with a brown shadow. I went ahead and applied mascara to my lower lashes, then I'm just going to go and put the darker brown shadow along my lash line. Next I'm going to apply my bronzer and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbone and then start working it up towards my temples. I accidentally cut it out, but I also put my blush right on top of my cheekbones as well, really focusing on the area next to the eyes and the temples as well. Then I removed the makeup that was on my lips and I started lining my lips with the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Nonstop Nude. Then I applied the Etude House Choco Mint tint in the number 3. And I'm mainly focusing that color on the outside of my lips, and then I'm going to keep the middle empty. Then I'm going to apply the Maybelline Superstay ink crayon in the color Treat Yourself in the inner parts of my lip to give it like an ombre effect. Then for highlight, I'm going to use the new Anastasia Iced Out Highlighter. Then I'm using a brown liquid liner to sharpen my inner corners to give me more of a cat eye effect. And just like that, we're done. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm glad to finally be back and provide you guys with nice content. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next. I post more content on my Instagram and on my TikTok, so make sure you guys follow me there. I'm going to put my username down below. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and yeah, see you later. Bye.